Hi guys, we decided to leave Palm Springs because it's crazy hot over there. The temperature is up to 120 and we came up to Hemet, to Lake Skinner, to do a little walking hike up here. Join us!
Lake Skinner is about 2 hours from Los Angeles and about 1 hour and 15 minutes from Palm Springs. It's a park, campground, and recreation area, and there's a $6 per person entry fee to the park. It's a 3.5 mile easy flat hike that circles around the exterior of the campground area. And you can see on this map there's a bunch of small trails that lead down towards the water. Simply place Lake Skinner Recreation Area into your Google Maps, and there's plenty of parking in the boat launch parking area.
And it's beautiful up here. It's not as hot as Palm Springs. The birds are chirping, and this is a relatively easy trail hike / walk. So far, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at all the trees and the foliage and the greenery. It's beautiful up here.
This trail is simply a 4-mile loop around the lake, and it joins all the campgrounds. We're here at the end of a holiday weekend, and a lot of people are leaving the campsite.
They're getting out.
This is the preserve next to the campsite. It's the Southwestern Riverside County Multi-Species Reserve. It was created in 1992 primarily as mitigation for the creation of Diamond Valley Lake. The reserve is currently approximately 4,000 acres, and its land is set aside for the protection of native animals and the habitats on which they depend. Look at this whole area over here. Look at this campsite they have set up.
It's nice, right?
Isn't that great? Past the campgrounds, it becomes a smaller dirt trail. The whole second half winds around and has views of the lake the entire time. So the small dirt trails that go from the campsite down to the lakefront. What do you think of the second half of this? Being able to see the lake.
I think it's beautiful. I love all these flowers just in the field like this. I haven't seen these kind before. It's beautiful.
You come over to the second campsite. It starts opening up onto the view of the lake and the reservoir. Center of this campground is the splash zone, a family park. With this amphitheater next to the park.
On a whim to get out of the heat, but we discovered that Lake Skinner Recreation Area offers a beautiful setting for outdoor activities. It has fishing, boating, and obviously hiking.
You wanna go get the camera?
No.